In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile customer deposits in Xero in 5 minutes. First, open Xero and head to the login page. Click the login button, then enter your email and password and click login again to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your command center for bank balances and tasks waiting to be reconciled, so it's the perfect starting point. From the dashboard, look for your bank account panel and click Reconcile Items. You'll see the list of bank statement lines on the left and any suggested matches on the right. Find the deposit you're reconciling. If Xero has already found a matching invoice for the same amount, use Match to link the payment directly to that invoice and you're done for that item. If there isn't a matching invoice, because this is a deposit or retainer paid in advance, we'll record it properly as a customer overpayment. With the statement line selected, click New Transaction, then choose Receive Money. This opens a form to capture the details of the deposit. By default, the transaction type may be set to direct payment. Change that to overpayment. This is important because it tells Xero this money is a prepayment from a customer, creating a credit on their account that you can apply to a future invoice. Select the customer as the contact so the credit lands in the right place. Add a clear description like customer deposit, and if helpful, include an order number or date for context. You can leave the account coding to accounts receivable, as Xero handles that automatically for overpayments. Double check the amount and date match the bank statement line. Consistency here prevents reconciliation differences later. If your organization uses tracking categories, apply them now so the deposit reports correctly. When everything looks right, click Save Transaction. You'll be returned to the reconciliation screen where the statement line now has a corresponding receive money overpayment to match against. Click Reconcile to finalize it. A quick tip, later when you issue the customer's invoice, you can allocate this overpayment to reduce the amount due. That keeps your receivables tidy and ensures the deposit is recognized against the right sale. Also, if you manage multiple bank accounts, make sure you're reconciling in the correct account to avoid duplicate entries. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled a customer deposit in Xero by recording it as an overpayment and completing the match on the reconciliation screen.